Have you ever wanted to create a QR code for a website, contact info, or any kind of data? You're in the right place. In this tutorial, we'll build a simple QR code generator using Python that runs offline once set up. By the end, you'll be generating QR codes in just a few lines of code. What is a QR code? A QR code, or quick response code, is a two-dimensional barcode that stores data. It can be scanned using a smartphone to access links, text, or other encoded information instantly. Libraries required. We'll be using the QR code library in Python, which makes QR code generation easy. Before we write any code, let's install the required libraries. In VS Code's terminal, type pip install QR code, pip install pillow, pip install QR code pill. These commands install the QR code library and its dependency pillow, used for image generation. Note, internet is only needed during this installation step. After that, the script runs entirely offline. Now, let's walk through the code step by step. Import QR code. This line imports the QR code library, which provides all the functionality we need. Data equals input, enter the data to encode into QR code. This line creates a variable named data to store the user's input, whatever you want to convert into a QR code. QR equals qrcode.makeData. Here, we convert the input data into a QR code object using the make method. qr.savemyqrcode.png. This line saves the QR code as an image named myqrcode.png in the current folder. QR code is generated successfully. Finally, we print a success message confirming the QR code has been generated. Run the program. Let's run the script and input any text, like a URL, message, or name. Boom! Your QR code is instantly created and saved as an image. And that's it. You've just built a fully functional QR code generator in Python. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, happy coding.